In this problem, we have to find the number of arrangements of group photograph in which 6 teachers are in the first row and 18 students are in the second row. In the second row, there are 12 boys and 6 girls. And if the middle position is reserved for the principal, this is the condition that is given, and no 2 girls are together. So we have to find the number of arrangements. So this is a photographer that we have. This is your first row and this is your second row. Now first row, if you are arranging all those 6 teachers, then we can write as equal to 6 factorial. Now in the second rows, we are arranging all the 18 students. In that 18 students, 12 boys are there and 6 girls are there. And all the boys are placed such that no 2 girls are together. Which means that if I am placing all the boys, I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are total number of 13 positions in which we have to place all these 6 girls. Out of 13, we have to choose one place. So I am choosing one place. Then we are having remaining 12 places. Then we are having remaining places as equal to 11, then 10, 9, then 8. Now we can also write this value as 13p6. Now if we are having all the boys, there are total 12 boys, which means that we have to arrange all those 12 boys. So we will write as equal to 12 factorial. In the second case, since in the first row we are having 6 teachers and we have to arrange those teachers, and you have to write that one as 6 factorial. So the total number of arrangement that you are getting, that is equal to 13p6 multiplied with 12 factorial multiplied with 6 factorial.